how to encrypt all files on an external SD card on a Samsung Galaxy S4. Now let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the home key. Then tap on the menu key at the bottom and choose Settings. In Settings, tap on the More tab at the top and then choose Security. In here, tap on Encrypt External SD card. Then first you need to select Encrypt checkbox to select that option. Then next you can select Full Encryption checkbox. Once you do that, tap at the bottom here on the Continue button. Now if your phone has been set with a password or a PIN, you need to put it in. So I'm going to put in my PIN, or my password rather, 12345A, and then tap on Continue. So now on this screen here, it asks me enable SD card encryption. So basically it asks me to confirm if I want to go ahead, and when you are sure that you want to go ahead, just tap on the apply button. Now it has some information here that you can go through and read to see if this option is suitable for you. If you're happy with all the options, then just tap on the apply and the encryption on the external SD card will begin. Now I'm not going to encrypt my SD card here, but if you're happy with your selection, then just tap on the apply button. Once the process is finished, you can just go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.